You're going to learn how to get clicks from Facebook totally free without spending money on ads. And this is what I've done. Take a look at this number right here. This is the referring traffic that Facebook has sent me. So 46,000 clicks, okay, over the very short period of time. 46,000 clicks from Facebook to my blog at nathanlatka.com, my website, okay? That's obviously where I then capture leads, build my email list, and drive a lot of sales. So in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can get traffic from Facebook. Okay, are you ready? So first things first, you wanna follow what I call a seeding strategy. In other words, you wanna leave hints. So for example, notice in this video, okay, there's no link in the status update. So you might think there's no way I got traffic to my website from this. But what I did is I said, okay, I'm going to try and walk up to a random food truck and write a check to acquire the business on the spot. Will I get a deal? Lure people in, right? Will I get a deal? They're wondering. Okay, help me in comments. Now you'll notice down here in the comments what I did. I said, holy cow, just finished with Ming. I couldn't tell what she was thinking. The grand finale is here. So right before the end of the video, I said, if you want to see the finale, go to nathanlatka.com/show me. And I said, do I write a check? How much do I offer? What's the deal? But the link is in the comment. Now, how many clicks do you think this link got? What's your guess? How many clicks? Are you ready? Here's the answer. The answer, okay, is about 8,000 hits. You can see here when the video went live, 743 clicks. And the reason I know, I'm using a tool called PrettyLink, which let me set up nathanlatka.com/show me. You can see here /show me. You can use this on your WordPress by, again, installing the tool PrettyLink. You just go to plugin, add new plugin, and choose PrettyLink. But again, over 8,000 clicks on that launch day. Okay, so keep that in mind. You don't want to include the link back to your website in the status update because Facebook will ding you in their algorithm. They'll assume it's markety, right? So you won't show up in as many people's news feeds. Figure out a way to put the comment or the link actually in the comments. So a great way to do that for those of you that are just starting out is when you post a new status update, leave whatever content you write. Okay, so again, let's say, you are writing a new book and it is about, how to start a business from scratch. You might say on page 34 in my new book, I show my income on day 5 of my new business. If you want to see my income statement, tell me below and I'll share the link. So what I did is that's going to drive comments. And then when people comment, that's when you then want to reply with a link back to your website. Notice I didn't say something like comment below to get the link because when you say that, Facebook knows you're asking for comments and they'll ding your status update. So you want to creatively phrase it. If you want to see my income statement, tell me below and I'll share the link. So you can use this in any industry. Write an update about your business, your industry, your company. Put it here and say, if you want to see X, tell me below and I'll share the link. Okay, and then you reply with the comment. This one strategy is a great way to seed on Facebook, meaning get hundreds of clicks per day. Another great way to get traffic from Facebook is to write content on your blog about other people and then watch them share it. For example, if I go to nathanlatka.com, you'll see, because of my podcast, I feature a lot of other entrepreneurs, like the TradeShift CEO. You'll notice it's gotten 81 likes on Facebook because he shared this, okay? He took this status update and shared it because I'm featuring his company. His name is Christian, right? His company's TradeShift. And so this is what I mean by seeding. When you post a new blog post and you want to get social proof quickly, the best way to do it is to take the link, right? Go into Facebook, post it on Facebook. And by the way, guys, you can do it on your personal profile like I'm doing here or on your fan page. I would recommend you actually do both. You'll recognize a lot of times the people that are your personal friends on Facebook drive you more engagement than your Facebook fans. So do both. That's going to drive up your share count, which will increase social proof, and you'll start to create a snowball. Okay, more and more traffic will come in. This single seeding strategy is, again, how I get consistently 46,000 free clicks from Facebook back to my blog. Now, the reason most people fail doing this is you don't have time every day to log on and share on Facebook. So in the next video, I'll tackle that and I'll show you how to schedule your posts on Facebook using a few free tools. I'll see you in the next video.